guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Joy Matt. So today we're gonna be having a brow tutorial, how to carve the brow tutorial. So let's go right into it. So we'll be using this brush. This is the NK Vicabel brush. We'll be using our blade. First, I'm going to teach you how to actually cut the blade. So most people prefer their blade to be cut to be like this, and some prefer to use a full. One of the benefits of using a blade like this, first, not to injure yourself and to be able to control the blade in the directions you wanted to. So this is the perfect way to cut the blade. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You can try to cut it like this, but it's possible you injure yourself. So I would advise you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be brushing my hair off. So I advise you brush your hair off. Brush it off. Trim out the excess. The excess you have underneath. Another thing you do is you brush down your hair. Make sure you just brush it down, then you trim off the excess. Then you brush off back. Can you see what it looks like? Okay. Can you see what it looks like? So let's do the same thing for, can you see the difference between this and this? So let's do the same thing for this one. Can you see what it looks like? First thing you do is brush your hair off. Trim off the excess. See the way I'm trimming off the excess. Push it again. Another thing I would say do is brush down. Brush the hair down. Remove the excess too. See what I'm doing? You have to be careful so you don't cut yourself in the whole process. Brush your hair up. Done. This is what it looks like right now. Can you see? So this is what it looks like. So I like to leave it like this, not too tiny. There are some people that want it tiny, but this is actually the perfect way to leave it, to have your natural brows draw. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be dropping a brow tutorial next. So see you in the next video. Bye guys.